So last year, DJI debuted exciting new product categories and launched innovative drones, expanding its territory to reach more of its consumers. And this year, DJI is expected to unveil more of its popular drones, which are already being approved by the FCC, meaning they will be available in the US market at the same time. So, we have rounded up all the upcoming DJI drones and products that you should expect in 2026. Let's jump straight into the list. Starting with the most recent upcoming drone from DJI is surely the Avata 360. The drone is already scheduled for a March release date. Though the drone was previously rumored to launch in November last year, it has been delayed quite a few times. Many sources claimed that DJI is expected to launch the Avata 360 in March this year, and this has been further confirmed by a report from Drone XL. We have also found a new beta testers video that demonstrates the drone's battery swap and activation process. According to the report from Drone XL, the Avata 360 will be announced in mainland China initially, and later on, it will arrive globally. We have seen a similar pattern for DJI's most recent product announcements. However, since the drone is approved by the FCC, it will soon be available to the US market as well. Now, coming back to the video, the Avata 360 will feature swappable battery design, so you can instantly trade with the recharged battery and keep flying. Also, the video showed a comparison of compact drones side by side, and you can see that the Avata 360 will be slightly larger compared to the DJI Avata 2. So that means it will weigh more than 377 grams. Now, the anti-gravity gets an advantage here since it falls under 249 grams and can be flown without any FAA restrictions. But for the sacrifice, you are getting way more features and the most versatile 360 drone yet. The leaked specifications suggest 8K at 60 frames per second, HDR 360-degree panoramic video. Think about that for a moment. You are not just recording a wide-angle view, but capturing everything around the drone. Every direction, every perspective, and later in post-production, you can reframe your shot, pick your angle, and create cinematic FPV sequences from a single flight. DJI Lito X1 is more like the next generation of DJI's popular Mini 4K drone, or you can also call it the true successor to the Mini SE series that offered great value at an affordable price. Igor Bogdanov was the first to share an image of the Lito X1 propellers, giving us the first glimpse at the drone. Later on, he also shared the FCC listing that gave us ideas about its specs. Now, you can clearly guess how compact the drone will be, considering the small size of the propeller arm. You can easily carry this drone anywhere and shoot travel vlogs. Based on the leaked information, the Lito X1 is expected to feature a 1x1.3-inch CMO sensor that can shoot up to 4K videos at 120 frames per second. This should be enough for anyone willing to enter aerial cinematography. As for the price, the upcoming Lito X1 is expected to be priced around $350, which is in between Neo 2 and Mini 5 Pro. So, it's more like a beginner drone with excellent capabilities. Most importantly, you won't need any FAA approval to fly this drone due to its weight being less than 249 grams. It will also give an opportunity for new pilots to improve their skills, and later on, may buy the more professional Mini 5 Pro. Another most anticipated drone is likely to appear this year, which has long been approved by the FCC. Yes, we are talking about the most value for money drone from DJI, the Air4. A recent image shared by Igor Bogdanov shows 4 batteries in a row. Interestingly, the caption says #A4. To me, that's very much referring to the Air4. Moreover, if you watch closely, these are all drone batteries from Mavic 3 and an unidentified battery that is a little bit bigger. So possibly we might be getting a jump in flight time for the Air4. Right now, the Air 3 is promised to offer up to 46 minutes of flight time. So very much chances are that the Air 4 will be exceeding the 50 minutes limit. Now, many of you might also counter that it's probably Mavic 4's battery since it's larger and suits Mavic drones more. The good news is that DJI is not scared to release mid-cycle updates. This has been seen across different drones: the Mavic Pro Platinum, Phantom 4 Pro, Air 2S, Mavic 3 Pro. They have done this with various drones in the past. They featured similar body styles to their previous versions, but added small features that improved the flight experience. Talk about the Air 2S, which featured a 1-inch larger sensor, and saw an overall spec bump, turning out to be even better than the Mavic 2 Pro. So, if DJI introduces an Air 4 all of a sudden, with better flight time and a larger camera sensor, we wouldn't be surprised at all. Not just drones, DJI will also launch the next generation handheld gimbal camera this year, and the camera is almost ready to launch. We have got the official real-life hands-on footage of the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The video was shared by an official DJI store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and according to them, a customer holding the DJI Pocket 4 camera visited their store. It shows the camera from every possible angle and does look interesting with an LED flashlight on top, which we are guessing is detachable. Apart from that, the camera looks and feels pretty much similar to Pocket 3. Also, we have got the blueprint for Pocket 4 Pro's dual camera system mechanism, giving us a detailed idea about how the camera will work. As we mentioned earlier, Igor Bogdanov shared 2 different images on X that look like an internal blueprint of a dual camera setup stacked side by side. He claims it to be the inside structure of Pocket 4 Pro. This confirms that we will be getting 2 separate processors for the 2 lenses that are being used by DJI. Let's break it down. According to the leak, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro will feature 2 cameras inside one compact body, a wide-angle camera and a telephoto camera. But this is not just about having 2 lenses for marketing purposes. The switching happens automatically based on the zoom value. When the zoom is below a certain threshold, the wide-angle camera is active. The moment you cross that threshold, the telephoto camera takes over. That means no more digital zooming. Rather, you can seamlessly capture distant objects without losing the quality. This alone already makes this more advanced than most compact cameras. Now, as we mentioned earlier, there will be 2 processors running the show inside. Even with such a compact form factor, DJI is reportedly using a dual processor architecture. The main processor, the SoC and ISP, runs continuously. That is the core brain handling the final recording and encoding. Then there is a second processor, called the pre-ISP. Before the image even reaches the main processor, the sensor data is sent to this auxiliary chip. The pre-ISP performs noise reduction, brightness enhancement, and shadow detail restoration first. In one word, both of them will work seamlessly in order to deliver the best filming experience while vlogging. Not just that, Igor Bogdanov added that the Pocket series is about to get even smarter. There will be an automatic route switching module. A built-in light sensor will analyze the shooting conditions in real time. Then it will decide whether the frame needs preliminary cleaning through the auxiliary processor or whether it can be processed directly by the main chip. In bright daylight, it may skip the extra processing to save power. However, in low light or complex scenes, it will activate the full dual processor chain. So the camera dynamically uses its maximum processing capacity only when needed, making it more efficient even after having to run 2 processors. It's true that the competition is increasing day by day, but DJI is also at the peak of innovation. The Pocket 4 Pro will surely be a revolutionary camera, changing the way we film on the go. So, these are the upcoming products and drones from DJI that will arrive this year. Which one of these are you most excited for?